Hello folks, welcome to Billion Babai. Let us now discuss the role of private equity in industrialization or establishing the new online e-commerce units or the new generation of entrepreneurial units. Is it good or is it bad? What is it? If you observe the track record, after the say this internet companies have started into being, software as companies have come into being, banks and formal financial institutions, even the capital market, have been sidelined. They have become irrelevant because in all these units, what is there? There are no assets for collateralization. There are no assets for proving that there is worth. There is no machines. There is no production. Nothing that has got three-dimensional thing that you can catch on. The only thing that will be there only is a fiber and a computer, and everything else is a moving asset. People are the asset. And we never had any method whereby you could finance people because they are walkable. They walk away. So, our formal institutions, the capital market, the banks, they have all become irrelevant, and the private equity have taken over. Angel investors have taken over. Now, what are these private equity and angel investors? Are they angels? Just think, they'll finance money, they'll finance the company to prove the concept, and they will make sure that they get about 600%, 800%, 10,000%, 1,000% return when the venture succeeds in a matter of 3 years, in a matter of 4 years. And then these companies go for IPO, and then the people who pay the exorbitant valuations that are decided by the private equity holders. So private equity holders are the new form of colonialism, new form of capitalism that are looting the money of investors in capital markets. What was otherwise available for 10 rupees a share is now available for 600 rupees, 800 rupees, 1000 rupees, 10,000 rupees, just after 3 years after its starting. Who's deciding this valuation? Who's saying this is the worth of the particular company? Who says that much has to be paid? It is the private equity angel investors who say that. And we have seen in many places, especially in real estate, when there was no demand, when absolutely nobody is willing to pay, even then the prices do not fall. Why? Because the private equity and angel investors from US, from Canada, from Malaysia, from Dubai, they finance these entities, and they do not allow the promoter to reduce the price at any cost. So even when the entire city is barren, even when the entire building, not a single flat has been purchased or occupied, but still the price does not come down from crores to lakhs. So the private equity and angel investors are the new ugly face of capitalism. So beware of them. So what is the alternative? The alternative is crowdfunding. So I request, crowdfunding has not taken the fancy of Indians. I request all Indians, all the people who are watching this video, to think how they can participate in crowdfunding, how each and every institution, each and every new entrepreneurial activity, each and every new entrepreneurial unit can be financed by crowdfunding. So at least by that way, we would have invented a new capitalistic norm, a new stock exchange, a new capital source, whereby the venture capitalists don't get undue benefited by our effort to make entrepreneurs succeed in our country. Thank you for watching.